I'm Jade Bolden, and today I'm going to share with the Aussies and the Kiwis the doTERRA April promotion, okay? You guys have a really good month, well, 2 months actually, some of the promotions. All right, so here we go. Convention ticket is available, you guys, and you're welcome to come, of course. It's a global convention for everybody in doTERRA all over the world. It's $169 USD. Book your ticket as soon as you can because it sells out so quickly. So they'll have about 30,000 people there, 2 venues, lots of education, lots of science, lots of new products, and lots of fun. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Click on the link and get your ticket as soon as you can. Okay, and then you can work at the accommodation and the travels later on. But just get your convention ticket because this is more difficult to get than the other things. Okay, alrighty. Now, the free product of the month. Every month you get a free product if you are a doTERRA wholesale customer and if you order 125 PV before the 15th of the month, okay? Between the 1st and the 15th of the month. All right, and it has to be on a loyalty reward order. All right, so you get a free 5 ml, not 15, sorry, DigestZen oil this month. And DigestZen is good for everything digestive. I can't speak today. Okay, so, you know, indigestion, heartburn, you know, bloating, gas, you know, you name it, okay, barley bugs. So you can take it in water, you can rub it on your tummy, you rub it on the bottom of your feet to help with everything digestive. Okay, smelling it may not be the best way to help you with this oil, with the concern that you need. So I'd say rub it on or drink it, okay, in water. Now, this is you ordering 125 PV between the 1st and the 15th of April, okay? 125 on loyalty reward. That's the free product of the month. Okay, listen to this. Share the Aroma enrollment promotion. This is the very first time they're offering Buddha wood oil. I've never heard of it. I hope it smells amazing. I bet it smells amazing. So all you have to do is enroll 4 people, whether they're wholesale customers or wellness advocate, it doesn't matter. If it's over 100 PV each, you get, that counts as 4 people, okay? 4 people. And then you receive a Buddha wood free, and it's native to Australia apparently. So I can't wait to smell that one. Okay, so if you enroll 8 people, you get, yes, a Buddha wood and a Roman chamomile for free. So Roman chamomile is like $70. That's pretty good deal, right? Okay, if you enroll 12 people, you get all 3 oils. You get the Buddha wood, the Roman chamomile, and Melissa. And Melissa is super expensive, as you know. And all together, so you're getting all of these things for about $300, and all of that is free, okay? You just need to enroll and they will give it to you afterwards. All right, so that is awesome. So guys, go ahead and start sharing with your friends and enroll them in doTERRA. Remember to take care of them and teach them how to reorder and stuff and change their lifestyle. All right, okay, so it's part of that promotion, and that promotion goes from April to May. So you get 2 months, so you don't have to stress it. You get 20% off all enrollment kits. How about that? So 7 enrollment kits are discounted. The Oil Sharing, Home Essentials, Aroma Touch Pro, Nature Solution, Daily Usage, doTERRA Touch, and Emotional Aromatherapy. Okay, all of those kits are 20% off. This is such a good deal. All right, they're already discounted and now they're even more discounted. Crazy. So I would print these out and I would carry it with me. If you're sharing with friends and family, point and show them that this is a fantastic time to start a doTERRA lifestyle, an account, okay? So there you go, guys. How exciting. And then you get some goodies, the Buddha wood and Melissa and Roman chamomile, and they get a discount. I mean, it's win-win. And especially if you're doing Diamond Club, even more gifts for them. Crazy. Okay, and the last thing here is the 10% off. The past tense. This is a wonderful oil for the neck and the shoulders if you experience tight neck and shoulders, which I do a lot. My friends who have fibromyalgia, I can't say it right, very, very good for that. You know, apply it to the temples and maybe the back of the neck, just to help with alertness, to keep you alert. Apply it to your wrists to help you feel more calm and at ease if you're tense. Okay, that's why it's called past tense. And its wholesale price is $23.50, so it's a pretty good deal. I had a friend at work and she had a headache, and I wanted to share this with her, but I didn't know what her response would be. All right, because we were in public, and I thought, okay, after school, which I was a school teacher, after work, come over to my house and I have something for that headache. And I made her wait. I know, it's bad. So she came over to my house and I said, okay, put this on. And within like 2 minutes, she felt better, and she looked at me and she said, Jade, you had this all day long and you didn't give it to me. And I thought, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know how you would respond. Anyways, don't make the same mistake I did. Just share with your friends, okay? This is a fantastic oil for your oil kit, just for the times that you feel really tense. Alrighty, so guys, I think there's going to be more stuff coming out for the Aussies for Mother's Day, so keep an eye out for that. But this is all I want to share with you about April and the Australian New Zealand promotions. Okay, so more information are going to be online, and you know, if you have questions or comments, please comment below and we'll help you out as much as possible. But from me to you, have a wonderful Easter and a happy April. If you celebrate Easter, I mean, I think you have school holidays there pretty soon, and a whole lot of celebration, okay? So have fun, have a great April, and I look forward to talking to you next time. Bye for now.